I don't talk about strategies and things like that. But low income housing uh, is for people who doesn't have the means of shelter, except their self-help. They depend on their self-help energies. And they start from zero. So here is where they can depend on traditional ways, on local materials, on self-help strategies. So they're basically in a very low income level. They basically can't afford. How we can go as an architect help them? Basically, I think the traditional ways will be very effective, in my opinion. Uh, as we discussed, local materials and strategies and things like that. So what I'm saying, you are dealing with people that have no means, and they're starting basically. I mean, if we are giving them this lot and they start their own uh, self-help process to build a shelter or uh, a room or something, so they can live with their families as a starter thing and then can develop it later on to a house or to a more needed shelter. But anyway, I just wanted to inject this. Thank you.
Well, wonderful class, wonderful discussions. Let me ask Sharif Zaisai, what would be
Yes.
next? Would you expect our